Today I will show you an amazing natural fertilizer for parsley that helps it grow quickly and healthy. In half a liter of water, add 1 tablespoon of dried nettle. You can also use fresh nettle, which you can easily harvest yourself. That is why nettle is one of the best natural fertilizers, because it is completely free and widely available. If you are using fresh nettle, chop it, place it in water, and let it sit for about 1 week. After that, the mixture is ready to use for watering your plants. If, like me, you are using dried nettle or nettle tea, simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons of nettle to hot water and stir well. Once the liquid has cooled down slightly, it is ready for use. Parsley is one of the most useful plants we can have in the kitchen and in the garden. Besides adding flavor to dishes, it also offers many health benefits. It supports digestion by stimulating the stomach and intestines and helps reduce bloating. Its mild diuretic properties help the body eliminate excess water, contributing to overall well-being. This nettle mixture can be used to water parsley as well as other plants in the garden or on the balcony. It can also be used for light spraying around the soil near the plants. Nettle is an excellent natural fertilizer for many types of vegetables and herbs. Now I will show you another simple and natural pest repellent. Garlic powder mixed with water is one of the easiest and most effective natural repellents in the garden. Its strong smell and active sulfur compounds repel many insects without harming plants when used correctly. This mixture is especially effective against aphids, thrips, mites, and other small pests that feed on plant sap. When garlic powder is mixed with water, compounds are released that interfere with the senses of pests. Insects lose orientation, stop feeding, and leave the plant. Unlike chemical products, this natural repellent does not kill beneficial insects and leaves no harmful residues in the soil or on plants. To prepare it, simply mix 1 teaspoon of garlic powder with 1 liter of water. Let the mixture sit for a few hours so the active compounds can fully release. After that, strain the liquid and use it for spraying plants or watering around them. It is best applied in the morning or in the evening, when the sun is not strong. Watch our next helpful video appearing on your screen. Thank you for watching and see you next time.